In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get best shop app discount codes. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in best shop, discount codes and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one, CouponFollow, as this is a legit website. Once you're inside the website, you're gonna find different offers and deals, 20% off, $60 off, and many more. Head over to the offer that you are interested in, click on it. Now you're gonna get the code. Ensure that code is valid. Check the expiration date of the code. If the code is valid, you can copy it, click on redeem at shop.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. You can log in with your credentials, make your purchase, and while you check out, you can apply this code and get certain amount as a discount. Also, you can try out other offers, and also you can check out other websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of discount offers. So this way you can easily get best shop app discount codes. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.